Hey, if you want to check if your AirPods 4 are original or fake, then I can quickly show you mine version. This is an original from Apple Store. And first of all, I'm going to show you how the device looks, and then I'm going to also show you about the box, because probably we will get some differences here. So first of all, let me just quickly catch focus. And as you can see on the front, we've got this sensor and the small cutout right here. Then on the left side, on the right side, and at the bottom, at the back, there's like no any button. There's no pairing button right here. And we've got this information about designed by Apple in California. And that's how the phone looks right here. Right here at the bottom, we can find the USB-C port. And when you open the case, we can find actually this kind of the marking inside. Take a look. There's the model, the battery, and the marking right here, and inside that's how it looks. Now let's move into the earbuds. So on the left and the right one, you can find this marking for the right and the left side right here. When you take a look in this place, you can also find some information. Take a look. It's actually information about the China, so I mean that was made in China, the Apple A3050, and some other codes right here and other markings. And on the left one, it actually looks the same. So that's how it looks from this side. This side, there's the cutout for the touch sensor. There we go. They are actually well made, and both of them looks the same. So now on the box, we can find this short graphic about this device. At the bottom, we can find information about this, that charger is not included. About recommended charger, we can find the serial number. On the right side, there's the Apple logo. At the top, there's the sticker from the distribution, another Apple logo, and inside, I'm not sure if I show you on the back how it looks, but that's how it looks on the box. And also the seals looks like this. Take a look. And now let's go inside. So we got this information that it was designed by Apple in California. We got some, warranty, some other stuff, and also the quick guide how we can use the gestures. And right here there's this sticker, the foil actually. It was covered on the AirPods. And when you actually take a look right here, it's like covered in this material, so probably it won't actually scratch the case when it is inside. And that's how it looks. You cannot actually remove this part of the box. So yeah, that will be all. Now you can tell me in the comments if you have fake or original version. Thanks for watching.